Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix secure boot is not enabled in Valorant. So it's actually very easy to fix. First, you need to actually go to the bar settings. So you need to go to the start menu and then click on the settings from here. And now you need to go to system. And now you need to scroll down till you see the recovery options as seen from here. Now from here you need to click on advanced startup and click on restart now. So this will actually boot up the advanced settings for startup and will restart your PC. So now after you boot up to the settings, you need to go to the troubleshoot settings, then go to the advanced settings, and now after that you need to go to the UEFI firmware settings, and that will restart your PC again and will open the BIOS settings. So after that this menu will open, you need to actually go to security as seen from here, which will lead you to find the secure boot options. Now you need to enable it and restart your PC and everything will work with you now. So that's actually how you enable the secure boot on Valorant on your PC. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.